Hi my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my wellness planner, which is Your Year to Shine, and I am planning for the week of March 9th through the 15th. And this time I actually have pre-pulled some of the stickers that we're going to be using in the spread. So I'm going to start with some steps and I'm going to alternate the dark pink and the light pink, so like the raspberry and the fuchsia in between each other, or maybe it's like more hot pink, I don't know. And I'm putting the steps in for every single day. So Monday the 9th is actually National Pack Your Lunch Day. So I'm going to be doing that, but before we go anywhere else, I'm going to go ahead and make my checklist. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and my vitamins, which also includes my medication that I take. So here we go. These take entirely way too long to make, but they save me so many stickers, and I actually prefer the clean look of all the meals, like so. How about you guys? Do you draw your own checklists for meals, or do you use the stickers that come out of the Happy Planner? I know that I certainly have enough of stickers to do all of that. However, there's just some kind of comfort for me to draw these out and have control over how they look and the colors and everything, because if I choose to, I can use them with highlighters. I can draw them in whatever way, shape, or form I would like to. I found a pink sticker that I like. I think it's going to match quite well with both of the pinks in there. And I'm going to put Pack Your Lunch Day. And because this is my wellness planner and it is a pack to lunch day, I'm going to be finishing up the whole spread with pretty much food. So I'm going to place Bon Appetit on a Sunday. And then I'm going to go ahead and look for all the food stickers that are possible to find in some of these books. And then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and fill out the middle section of this right up there. So I found a little bowl. So these stickers are actually from the Planner Basics because they had all of those stickers. So I thought, how neat is it that I'm able to use the Planner Basics, which when I bought the book, I thought I'm gonna never use it. Maybe except one or two stickers, and now the Planner Basics or the 829 sticker book, which is one and the same, is one that I've been reaching for quite a bit. It has a little bit of everything in there. Little single blueberry by that pizza to balance it out. We have some coffee mugs. We have a lot of cute stuff. We have a whole cabbage and tomatoes on vines, which are actually my favorite. A lime. If you asked my boyfriend, he would be able to tell you that I could put a lime on everything, including popcorn. So there you go. Lime is pretty much my favorite flavor of things. So when he buys beer or anything for me for the house, he usually will go for the lime flavor, including ice cream, which is pretty funny that we have this mutual understanding of me liking all of the sour stuff. So I never really show a completed spread of this when I'm done, like after the pen. And if you guys are interested in that, please leave a comment down below and I'll gladly post it on my Instagram, where you can see my after the pen spreads once in a while. I don't do them very often, but occasionally I will add one of those here and there. Ooh, big food stickers. And we're gonna take that big taco and we're gonna add it. Yum. Look at that. I am getting hungry just looking at this. So okay, and I think it's pretty full food-wise, so I don't have to do that anymore. I just need some boxes for me to be able to plan my meals. So maybe like a meal plan sticker somewhere. Oh, there's a pink one. If there's a pink one, I'll take it. Yep. There we go. That'll be pretty good. And then I'm just gonna white out those top priorities and place that on top, so then I can figure out what I'm eating for dinner each day. And then I'm gonna take my colorful boxes too, which I've been using quite a bit, and I'm gonna pull out those pink stickers, pink and yellow maybe, and that will be my mood. So I'm just gonna stagger them on the bottom column or on the bottom row, kind of all over. You'll be able to see that, and that's where my mood will go. And this brings us to the end of the spread. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like watching my videos, and if you do, thank you so much. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And I want to welcome all of my new subscribers, and those of you who are visiting and you made it till the end of the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here as part of my planner family. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon for another plan with me. Bye!